And welcome back. So like I said in part one, whilst we're waiting for the oil to drain out, we can move on to doing the air filter, and then we can do the sort of spark plugs and the cabin filter whilst that's all draining out. So with the air filter, I've just got the normal Mercedes paper one. It does have a K&N one in there at the moment. I was given that for free when I got the car. It's an oil-based filter. I don't overly like the oil-based filters because they're not as good as sort of the sponge or the paper-based ones. And realistically, with the car being stock, there's no real need for it to be, you know, have an uprated filter unless you're going to remap it where you're going to see benefits. Apart from that, the paper one, which is really cheap, does a really good job anyway. So we'll see how we get on. Okay, so the next thing is the air filter. Airbox obviously just to the side here. It's held in with two Torque 25 screws, one there and one just down there, and then it hinges at the front just there. So once you've unscrewed them, that hinges up, and then you can just pull out the old one, and then you put the new one back in. I'll just show you once that's undone. Okay, so once you've undone the two screws, all you need to do is lift at the front, put it forward, and that will lift up out the way. Oh, and you should be able to pull out the old filter. I say this had a K&N filter in there, but I'm going to be putting back the stock normal Mercedes filter. So all you need to do is obviously new one. I haven't undone it, but new one just pops straight back in there, and then you just hook the, my camera's all over the place today, hook the box back in like that, do it back up, and that is it for the air filter.